with you, like I don't really want to substitute, like.
Wanda is doing my hair, y'all. Got the wig cap on. You gotta get it cracking with everything else. Let me just vlog.
She gonna be home, so.
Look at me. Oh, Wanda bodied my makeup and my hair. Like, hey. So she's not done yet. We're doing a style. And we're almost done.
Damn.
Yeah, I feel like this is just my color.
Okay, turn around.
Y'all, so this is how my hair came out. It's like a nice ombre look. As you can see, your girl is a baddie. 27 clothes doing that dance you like. And I will never stop doing my own lashes. Like, y'all see this? These are my natural bottom lashes. I don't do bottom lashes, but see these? And Wanda's just so good for like install and makeup. Like, she bodied my makeup. Like, no one really bodies my makeup like this, especially my eyebrows. Because if you know me, I don't do my eyebrows at all. Never have. Maybe I will sometime soon, but right now they're still good. So I'm not gonna do that. 9 something, and I don't want to take my makeup off because she did so good. She did so good. But this is how the hair looks. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys before I freaking forget. Like, I really look like a baddie. Like, I'm already a baddie, but like this color is just my mother freaking color, okay? And this is just really making me want to go out. Like, I'm about to tell my man, like, we need to go out to eat or something, because I look too good. Yeah, back to it. Baby girl is showing and popping, but y'all don't know that yet. This hair is really mad long. Like, y'all can't even, I can't even tiptoe to show y'all, but I could show y'all from the front. Now you see? So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave a cute comment. Let me know if you did ginger or like this ombre before. It's really giving scalp. You see that? Exactly. Scalp. See you guys in the next video. Yo, my stomach is already busting out my clothes. Hey guys, how you doing? What's up? So, in today's video, I am going to be taking my glucose test. Oh, my face is looking so good, by the way. Like, and then these are slowly going away. Off topic. But yeah, today I'm taking my glucose test. So right now, I'm actually getting ready. My boyfriend and I are getting ready to go to do that. I still got this wig in, so I'm gonna just fix it up a little bit because you see these edges look like fried noodles. So I'm just gonna fix it up a bit, and I'm not gonna do no makeup, but I am gonna put my lashes, my individuals, of course. But yeah, say hi, Pablo. Can y'all hear him singing? He's singing in the shower. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready real quick, and yeah. Oof, my head was like itching. But once I come back, this wig is coming off. Because I already left it in for a long time. I'm surprised at myself. I'm shocked. But you see, it still looks good. I was down at school. Like now, I always do that. And at first, I wasn't doing it. But now my friend Chandler, like ever since she was doing it, like now it's like stuck in my head. And my armpits even are getting dark. Like... Literally, pregnancy has just changed my body so much. Belly cam. I really cannot believe that I am pregnant. I keep on saying that probably in every video. And like, I'm recording this, but you guys are not gonna see this anytime soon. Like, it's May 1st, start of the new month, new blessings, all of that good stuff. But this wig, Wanda really did her thing. Like, if you're not booking and y'all just looking, y'all doing the wrong thing for real. Didn't need to flat iron it. Well, at least this side I do. Look at this. It's mad long. And she cut it. So this was a 30-inch wig that we used. And if Wanda says she need a model, I'll be down. Like, I don't care. Cause I'm like, hey girl, I'm already here. So I ain't doing nothing. I ain't really going anywhere. But this wig was so cute. Like, I actually wanted to go out and do stuff, and I actually had no plans. Like, that was so sad and tragic. But it's okay. Because today I have my appointment and this wig will be seen. Okay, baby? And I don't be having all the tools that she got, but it's okay. I'm gonna have to order another bar another brightening bar from my girl Drip Gloss. My girl Sarah. I'm gonna have to order a bar from her because she still got bars left, and I was shocked. So I was like, yeah, I need to buy one because this, before when I was using her stuff, and it looks darker on camera, but it's not that dark, but before when I was using her stuff, my shit was light. Now, I do need to shave my armpits, not too much on me. But now, it's getting dark. Like, when you're pregnant, everything gets dark. Like, I never had this stuff on my body. So yeah. But it's okay. Some gel too. This is fine, but I'm still gonna spray it. I always want to be cautious, and I don't really wear wigs a lot, so if you see me doing this and I'm making your skin crawl, baby, what else am I supposed to use? And I really don't care. I don't wear wigs a lot. This is probably the third I did. I did black, orange, red, ginger. Fourth time wearing a wig, okay? So not too much on me, okay? But one thing about me, I know how to finesse some edges, okay? I feel like edges on a wig is like edges on your hair. If you want to be real. I feel like they're very similar. But yeah, I'm about to put this band on my head and I'll get back to y'all later on.
And that's all your blood in an hour from when you finish.
I was thirsty because I didn't know if I could drink water or not.
All right.
It was good.
Let me give you the lemon.
Like no paparazzi, right?
I don't got no
The wig is off, okay? The appointment went well yesterday. I'm just cleaning my face. It just feels so free. You see the wig over there? It was beautiful, but it was time to go. Am I you pretty with no makeup? Got a string still in my hair. But I'm gonna take these braids out, clean my face. Maybe I'll get back to y'all
Every day hustle with me. I'm sure that the chicken is for the person.